Okay, are you ready?
Ready.
Okay. Where is your A? Where's your A? Where is your A? Let's think.
Again.
Yeah. Good job. Where's your A? Good girl. Where is your B? Good. Very fast. Where is your C? Touch it. Good. Where is your D? D. Good girl. You're so. Oh, uh-oh. Let's backspace. Backspace, backspace. One more backspace. One more backspace. Yeah, I know. It's okay. Good. What's next? What is this letter? Peru? E. Good. Where is your E? Is that an E? Where is your E? Where? Ekara. E. Ekara. Where? You gotta show me.
Up there.
You need to think.
Up there.
Think. Good. Show me E. It is on this side of the keyboard.
Yeah.
Where is it? E. Ekara.
Yeah.
That's an F. We want E.
Yeah.
Yeah. Touch it. Good girl. High five. Awesome. Say bye. Bye, Chapel.